The idea is how we can connect to the Access file. So this is the Tableau 10 workbook or the interface. As we open it, and here I can go into the Access option, and here I have earlier I have selected the database, which is nothing but the AdventureWorks sample database. But if you have any other database, you can browse in, go to either desktop or downloads or any library where the information is present. So for me, the data is present in Access, and AdventureWorks sample is what I want to use it for this demo. And if there is any password, you can supply the password, and if there is any workgroup security related to it, then you need to provide that. So since this is a sample file and it is in my local system, there is no password or workgroup security related to this, and I can simply go ahead and open this. Once I open this, it shows me all of the options or all of the tables which is present in this data set or the database. And I can simply drag the product table and sales order table, let's say, as a different table. And here I have both the tables, and Tableau have automatically created the join. If I want to change the join, I can click here and select whatever join I want to create, whether the left join or the right join, or the full outer join is not present. So inner join, left join, or right join is what I can create and get the information over here. And I can specify whether I want the live connection, that means all the time it is connected to the database, and that helps that if my database is changing or the values in the database are changing, the value in the Tableau dashboard will also be going to change as soon as it happens in the database. But if I want an extract, that is mostly people do, because they do the offline reporting and does not want to change the result as and when user is viewing it, because what happens that if one viewer is, or the one report analyzer is analyzing the report on one number and it changes, that creates some kind of confusion. So sometimes, or most of the times, the better option is to go and use the extract, so that all of the data is extracted and it is not changing frequently. Once you do that, you can go into the sheet. So I need to save this. Maybe I can just go ahead and save. And once I save, I can go into the sheet, and here the dimensions are available to me from the product table and the sales order detail table, as well as measures from the product and sales order detail, which I can use it on my canvas or this white blank area to produce the visualization and make the dashboard or report. If you want to go back again to the data source, you can go here on the data source page, and if you want to do any changes, you want to add something, you want to change connection, you can do that and move back and forth between sheet and data source to make sure that you have whatever you needed to produce the report and dashboard. So that's pretty much all I wanted to discuss in this video, and I would suggest to subscribe to the channel so that you can get similar videos if you want to learn more about Tableau and other BI tools.